Hello all, just doing a real quick video on the 2-ounce, 1-piece perforated portion spoon. Just letting you see the handle here. It's really nice, fits nice inside of my hands. I have some kale inside of here that I've made, and it's in my 910 All-American pressure canner. And you see I have it just sitting on the lid, so it works great because of the way they made this spoon, you can be able to easily just put it on the side of your container and you can be able to have it sit there. But you see, it's 2 ounces, but you see this is a hefty 2 ounces, or you can be able to level it off to be able to have 2 ounces worth of, in this particular instance, kale. So it just works really nice. You can easily be able to make it, because some people don't want the juice. They just mainly want, for example, the kale instead of the juice with it. So you can go ahead and strain it off, and you can go ahead and serve your guests, or they can be able to serve themselves. But it's just a nice little spoon to have. Level it off and you can be able to definitely make it so that when you're serving the little ones, you can give them at least 2 ounces worth of kale. And, take off the juices. Just go ahead and give it a little shake. Thank you so much for watching.